Welcome to my channel Technical Arquen. Today's topic Karnaugh Map. So go for it. Now today we discuss Karnaugh Map, or also we can say K map. Okay, we have simplified the Boolean functions using Boolean theorems and postulates. Okay, but without using Boolean postulates or theorems, Karnaugh introduced a method for simplification of Boolean function in an easy way. Okay, this method is known as Karnaugh Map or K map method. Some points should be remembered for Karnaugh Map is concerned. The points are: Karnaugh introduced the Karnaugh Map or K map in 1953. Next point, it is a graphical method, means Karnaugh Map actually a graphical representation. Okay. Next point, it consists of 2 to the power n cells for n variables. Means if the number of variable is 2, so number of cells should be 2 to the power 2 means 4. If the n is 3, so 2 to the power 3 will be 8. If n is 4, so 2 to the power 4 will be 16. Okay. And the next point, the adjacent cells are differed only in single bit position. That means from one cell to another cell, we need to change only one bit. Means more than one bit change between two cells is not permissible in Karnaugh Map. Okay. So we discuss more things about Karnaugh Map with an example. Okay. Now this Karnaugh Map calculations can be going on for both cases, for Minterm and for Maxterm also. Okay. So whatever the Minterm procedure, the Maxterm procedure will be the same, only the value is changed. Okay. So we are take the example using the Minterm specially. So first case for two variable Karnaugh Map. Okay. So suppose the variable is x and y. So what are the combinations? 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Means for two variables the combination should be 4. Why? 2 to the power 2 is 4. And these are the Minterm position. This first cell 0 0 position is known as M0. 0 1 position is known as M1. 1 0 position of the cell is known as M2. And 1 1 position cell is the M3. And these are actually the Minterm value. Okay. The same way, when we are talking about for three variables Karnaugh Map, means x, y, z, then the combination should be 8. Why? 2 to the power 3 is 8. Like 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 1, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 1 and 1 1 0. Okay. And the position of these Minterms are: this position is M0, this position M1, this position is M2, this position is M3, this position is M4, this position is M5, this position is M6 and this is M7. Now the question arises, why after M1, why not M2? Why the M2 is there? Because the rule is given, the last point I am already told, the adjacent cells are differed only in single bit position. Okay. That means when we are talking about this particular position, for example, suppose if we think about there is 1 0 and there is 1 1. So what happened? There between these two cells, 0 is changed into 1 and 1 is changed into 0. That means there exists more than one bit position differ. So it is not allowed in Karnaugh Map. Means only one bit change is required. Okay. We cannot change more than one bit at a time between two cells. That's why what happened? 1 0 position is go that place and 1 1 position into that position. So that's why 0 0, 0 1 and then 1 1 and after 1 0. Now you just check that 0 is changed to 1 but 1 is same, means only between these two cells the bit change is only 1 bit. So for Karnaugh Map is concerned, between two cells, two simultaneous bit change is not allowed. Only one single bit can change. Okay. The same manner for this 4 variable Karnaugh Map, if we think about the variables are x, y, z, w. So what are the combinations? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. In that way 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and in that way the rest of the cell is numbered. Okay. So there is a 16 cell. Why? 4 variables. So 2 to the power 4, 16. Means here 2 variable is concerned, 2 to the power 2. That's why 4 cell is there. Here 2 to the power 3 is there. Why? 3 variables. So 8 cell is there. And now for the 4 variables, 2 to the power 4 is there. Means 16 cell should be present into there. Okay. And what the position? M0, M1, M2, M3. Why M2, M3? I am already told for the 3 variable is concerned. Means bit change between two cell should be only 1, not more than 1. Okay. So that's why 2 is there and 3 is there. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the same case also in that particular row. After M7, it's not here M8. The M8 come into that position. Means for XY 0, 0, 0, 1, and after should be 1, 1 and then 1, 0. Why? Because 0 changed to 1, but 1 is remains same. Means between these two row also the bit change only 1. Means single bit should be changed, not more than 1 bit change. That's why after M7, M8 position will be this position. So M8, M9, M10, M11 and M12, M13, M14 and M15. So in that way, same manner, the Maxterm is also described. Means where I am writing this small m0, we are write capital M, because small m represent your Minterm and capital M represent your Maxterm. And we already discussed this Minterm and Maxterm in my previous video. For Minterm is concerned, we should remember their value is 1, means where the value is 1, the variable is normal, and if the value is 0, the variable is complement. And the same case in Maxterm is reverse. Here when the variable value is 0, it's normal, and when the variable value is 1, it's complement. That means when we take this Karnaugh Map using Minterm, so we put this M0, M1, M2, M3 in that positions 1. Okay. And when we consider this Karnaugh Map for Maxterm, we put this position 0. Okay. So we go for a example and elaborately consider what happened actually when we solve the Boolean expression using Karnaugh Map. Okay. Now in Karnaugh Map, how grouping of cells for simplification are used, we are described here. Okay. Actually, adjacent cells which have ones can be grouped together in 2's power. Okay. Means 2 adjacent cell can be grouped, means in pair. 4 adjacent cell can be grouped, which is quart. 8 adjacent cell can be grouped, is octet, and 16 adjacent cell can be grouped. Okay. Means in that case 2 cell can be grouped, here 4 cell can be grouped, here 8 cell can be grouped, here 16 cell can be grouped, means power of 2. Okay. Group may be horizontal or vertical but not diagonal. Means group can form either row wise or column wise. Okay. But never like diagonal, it not permissible. Clear? So go for an example. Now for example is given for 2 variables, means how we put the value in a Karnaugh map for 2 variables. Suppose the function is given f(x,y) and we are defined that m0, m2, m3. What does mean? Means the position for 0 to 3 or we can write in that way, summation m within bracket 0 to 3. We already know for the two variables concerned, this position is m0, m1, m2, m3. So position is 0, 2, 3 means we are doing using Minterm. So I am already told for Minterm is concerned, we put 1. Okay, why? Because the variable is normal for 1 in Minterm. Okay, so in 0 position we put 1. Okay, so 0, 1. Now this is a 2 position because 2 is given, so that's why I put 1, and the position for 3 is also put the 1. So in that way we put the value in the Karnaugh map when we get this particular expression. Okay, now for these three variables concerned, here x, y, z, these are three variables is there, and we are defining a function where summation 1, 3, 4, 7. We know the position is m0, m2, m3, m4, m5, m6, m7, m8. Okay, so first is 1, so 0, 1, this position. After 3 means this position is 3. Next, this is the 4 position. Next is the 5, 6, 7, and this position. So in that way, within Karnaugh map, we put the 1 when we get this type of expression for 3 values concerned. Now we go for the 4 variables. For the 4 values concerned, now the function is given into there. What the particular position m0, m4, m7, m8, m10, and m15. Similar for 2 and 3 variables, we put there here. This position is m0, so that's why given. This position will be the m4. How? m0, m1, m2, m3, m4. Okay. Next m5, m6, m7. Yes, m7 is there. Next m8. Yes, m8 is there. 9, 10. Yes, m10 is there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. m15 is there. So when we get this type of expression, we can put in a Karnaugh map where the 1 is given in a particular cell for 4 values concerned. So in that way, 2, 3, and 4 variables, we have put the value into there. Okay. So we go for the next part and we discuss how simplify using the Karnaugh map. So keep watching my videos. Thank you.